What are the 3 most common questions I get from homeowners during their projects? Hi, I'm Doug Panozzo, Director of Operations with Hogan Design and Construction, your trusted guide to home remodeling. Question number 1, always is timeline. Customers want to know how long it's going to be until their project can start, so the planning, purchasing process, getting logistics and getting everything ordered for their lead times, and also the timeline of when we're going to be done with the construction. So from demo day to final clean, how long is that going to take? Question number 2, what could potentially go wrong? So a lot of the times, without having x-ray vision, we don't know what's behind the wall before we want to remove it. Fortunately, we discuss all the things that could potentially go wrong with clients prior, whether it's mold or rot or what we find something very surprising behind the walls. Hopefully it's a bag of money, but we never know what it's going to be. We just make sure that we communicate ahead of time. Question 3 is, would I do this in my house? Often we're asked by our clients, would you do this in your house, or what would you do differently in your home? And we're always there to provide our opinion, give a subjective view on the design of their project or the functionality. They know we've been doing it for a long time, so we're happy to give those answers. If you have any questions or if you'd like more information, come visit us at hdcbuild.com.